sa'yo. But please greet your fans here today.
Ay, hello! Wow! May mga... Hello, everybody! Thank you so much for being here. Medyo bad weather outside, but I'm happy to see... Hello po! Ito yung mga fans ko na lagi. Hello po, madam. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope you guys are having a good afternoon. And I'm so happy to represent Skintific today.
Indeed. And we're gonna talk about it in just a few. I think meron tayong time to sit down. So
I know,
I will pick... Ipapachoose ko yung side mo. There we go.
Itong sofa. Ito na pala yung booth ng Skintific. It's just there.
Right? Front.
Hello! Pupunta ako dyan mamaya. Baka mabudol ako dyan.
Yes, front and center talaga, of course, for you. And we are so excited. Maybe just because for those who might have just found out about the brand now, how has it been so far in this journey with Skintific?
Actually, I love Skintific. And may share lang ako. When I was inside the PBB house, si Kuya,
yes.
Skintific yung gamit ko. Promise talaga, dun naubos yung cushion ko. Because before I entered the PBB house, nag-post pa ako ng Skintific. Yung cushion nila. Yes, nagpadala sila sa akin ng mga cushion. And that's what I brought inside the house of Kuya. And that's what I've been using inside the house. Dun din siya naubos.
Oh my God. And yung thing nga is with, nasa bahay ka, sometimes, kahit anong angle, kailangan perfect ka.
Yun lang
Ready.
yung ginagamit ko.
Yes.
Yun yung ginagamit ko kasi it's natural lang. Skin looking lang. Para no makeup look.
And yun nga, Skintific. So there's a lot of like skin caring ingredients inside it.
Yes, that's true. And doon din ako kuminas. I have a very sensitive skin, by the
Really?
way. Yes. I have a very sensitive skin. And syempre, in our line of work, yung makeup namin is 24/7. Lalo na ngayon if nagte-taping. So, I just really love Skintific because it's really gentle on the skin and super hiyang talaga yung skin ko
I
doon.
love that. And sometimes hit or miss, but I think with this type of brand, it really is not only caring for your skin, but it continues to do so while being makeup as well. So, parang perfect all-in-one. Parang ikaw, sis. O, diba?
Ikaw lang, sis. Perfect.
And actually, ngayon, we wanted to play like a little game with everybody who is gathered here. Mahilig ka ba sa mga blind boxes?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Who doesn't love blind
Perfect.
boxes?
Wala ba akong blind box for now, but meron tayong here on our screen. We have like blind Skintific boxes dito. And what we'll do is like a little game. Pipili ka ng isang number and then may challenge lang siya. So let's unveil ano po yung nasa number 1.
This or that.
Okay, so this or that. And meron akong mga products na papakita dito on screen. And you just have to choose this or that. Super simple. Okay, so let's see on screen. We have yon Ultra Cover Powder Foundation or yung Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion.
Banta tayo lalayo. Siyempre,
Diba? Yun ang sabi ko nga.
Kakasabi ko lang din yung lagi kong ginagamit. So, let's go for the matte cushion.
Okay,
the
so-
Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion.
Cushion. So let's get the cushion in. Okay, natalo yung powder here. So let's see what is it with the cushion. Actually, we do want to note yung it does have 5 times ceramide. Actually, 12-hour. Kaya pala, 12-hour oil control. Talagang when you put it on sa bahay ni Kuya, protected na protected
yes.
ka.
Whole day na siya.
Grabe.
Actually, di na rin ako nag-retouch.
Hindi mo na kailangan mag-touch up kasi wala kang time din.
Wala akong time. Ganun na
Yes.
lang din ako. Parang, basta sa morning yan na. Skintific all the way na. Tapos
Grabe.
parang trusted ko na siya na kaya niya na to the whole day.
Grabe. And you can say, parang sometimes when you're using this product, you can really say na yung it is just makeup but it's also not din. Parang,
Yes.
like this lang.
Yes, and yun kasi yung uso ngayon, di ba? Yung parang flat
Yes.
skin lang, no makeup look.
Indeed. And you have control of your look. You have control of your oil as well. Okay, moving on tayo sa this or that. Our next one. Sa round 2, we have yung cushion natin kasi pinili mo yung cushion or yung Mugworth Acne Clay Stick.
Yan, oh my gosh, parang ang hirap naman niya.
Kasi maganda din yung clay stick.
Yes, actually, I like them both also. Pero let's go for Mugwort.
Mugwort tayo. Okay.
clay stick.
Okay, so
yes.
nasa mugwort clay stick tayo. And what is it about the clay stick that you do enjoy na trinay mo?
Actually, yun nga, as I said, my skin is very sensitive. And sometimes,
Okay.
di rin talaga natin maiwasan magkaroon ng bad skin.
Yes.
Like, magkaroon ng pimples, magkaroon
Oo.
ng acne. So, this one talaga yung nakaka-help na nakaka-dry up agad ng pimples
That's true. Okay, so meron tayong iyan. But you know what? Ako gusto ko pa rin ng, parang nababenta talaga ako sa cushion mo.
Okay, actually, yan talaga yung number one ko.
Ayan pa rin?
Cushion pa rin.
Sige,
Oo.
nag-give chance na to. Ito, so cushion, final answer.
Binibigyan ko lang kasi ng chances
Sige na
si
nga.
Mom, pero loyal ako kay cushion.
Sige, so cushion nga pa rin para ang answer natin. But I want you guys to try it out din. Napaka-curious ako.
Yes.
Pero nabenta na ako sa cushion actually.
So you haven't tried it yet?
Sorry?
The cushion?
I haven't yet.
Oh my gosh.
Kasi di mo ako binigyan.
Ito na nga, oh. Ibubudol na kita, budol
Sige,
ka na
budol
dyan
na nga.
mamaya.
Kasi I do want that oil control. And yeah, so may cushion tayo, siya pa rin ang panalo. And sa last round natin, ng this or that. Kasi meron isang product na I think is also very interesting. We have the 5 times Ceramide Moisture Gel or yung cushion pa rin tayo. Kasi cushion pa rin ang
God.
number 1 mo. Kasi I really like the moisturizing gel.
Me also.
Sensitive skin ka, ako super dry and sensitive skin.
Oh, so you're both.
Yes.
Dry
so,
and sensitive.
Diba? Ang galing ko both yung
No,
problems
it
ko.
depends rin kasi sa weather
Correct.
natin. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold.
Correct.
So, dapat okay yung ano. Pero dito, oh my gosh, nandyan pa rin talaga si Matt Cushion, nakaharap pa rin
Kung
sa
pwede both, diba? Oo. So,
Pwede ba both? Pero I think, let's go for the moisturizer gel.
moisturizer
Gel.
ang chinek niya dito because ito nga, it does have 5 times ceramide moisturizing gel. Very lightweight actually sa, I think yun yung
Yes.
takot ng most Pinoys.
Yes,
no?
actually, that's what I do use also. Pag sa moisturizer kasi, ayoko yung masyadong creamy because again, it's hot in the Philippines.
Tas hulas.
Hulas,
Yes.
exactly. So I always go for the gel type. And it's so nice that Skintific has a gel type moisturizer. So talagang it's perfect for the weather. It's lightweight on the skin. And alam mo yung parang hindi siya mabigat on the face.
Hindi talaga.
Kasi marami na ako nila. Siyempre may mga toner tayo nilalagay, may mga essence. Ang dami
Correct.
natin nilagay. So the gel is just very lightweight on the
Correct.
skin.
And I think it's also perfect even before or combine mo yung dalawang favorites mo.
The cushion and the ano.
Yes!
Yes.
Mag-gel ka muna.
Yes, parang Korean na yung peg mo niya.
Diba?
Kasi
Very-
glass skin.
And very bouncy ang skin mo. And very bouncy personality like you also. I love it. It really reflects you. Talaga super bagay na bagay siya with this brand. So this and that, yan po yung mga pics ni Ashley for today. And hopefully yung mga pics na you get to experience. Dito lang guys, mag-tumbling, isang tumbling lang dyan. Yan na yung
Kaya
booth
nga.
niya. Dumaan kayo dyan. Okay, let's move back now to our blind boxes. Let's pick another blind box to choose for Ashley. So, ano ang number natin with this?
I think, let's go for number 4. Favorite
4.
number kasi ni Mavi yung number.
Oh, I love
Naisingit
that.
ko pa siya dito, di ba?
4, ma. Okay, sige, let's get number 4. Blindfold cushion
Oh my
application.
gosh, ito naman.
Kasi feeling ko expert ka na.
Expert na ako.
Feeling ko expert and you can teach me how to do. Sometimes kasi I do put too much. So, I think we do have your fans here and I want you to pick a participant to help put yung cushion natin.
Nung
Alright?
naka-blindfold ako, di ba?
Oo.
Oh my gosh,
Pero
guys.
to challenge, ba-blindfold ka namin. Okay.
Guys, I'll try my best.
Ayan, so maghahanap tayo and you can move on actually there, Ashley,
Dito,
para
okay na po.
matry natin, pakita natin what that looks like. So yan, we have our lucky participant
we
na
have
dumaan sa booth kanina sa
she's
Skintific.
wearing the color of Skintific.
Yeah, so go ahead and please sit down. Make yourselves comfortable. Is
Actually,
this
yung fans club ko
Hindi
yung
naman
Ashley
the first
Ortega
time
shirt
mo.
blue din, no? I love it.
I love that. Okay, so kayang-kaya mo to, Ashley. We have that new
Ay, ito na.
Skintific cushion over there. And you can
Petal.
go ahead. And meron tayong blindfold nandito.
Ito yung
Okay?
shade ko, petal. This is what I use. Yes, it's petal.
So I love it that there are different shades. So go ahead and you can put the blindfold on yourself while we apply this cushion. I love din yung ano cushion niya, hindi sobrang kapal and super gaan din siya. So Petal po 03, that is Ashley shade. Kaya-kaya, ready na. Okay, she is blindfolded. Okay, kahit expert, okay, this is just a fun game.
Wait, miss, what's your name? I'm sorry.
Des po.
Ate Des. Okay. Ate Des ha, I'll try my best. Pero feel ko naman, huwag ka mag-alala. Gaganda ka dito.
Yes. And again, we'd love for you guys to go ahead and visit your Skintific booth so you can try out these products. So go, Ashley. Try natin ano lang, one half of the face or ano yung feeling mo, ito na yan, gaganda ka dito. Tingnan mo, blindfold pa rin, okay? Mukhang okay naman. Oh, we're going with the cheeks first. Uy, parang naka-blindfold ka ba talaga? Kasi parang okay ba? Okay ba? Okay ba? In fair! In fair, girl! Alam mo kapag expert, kapag sanay ka talaga sa product, it really shows, ha? So, now you are guided by one. Ano yung na-feel mo ngayon?
Mabigat ba yung kamay ko?
Hindi po, magaan at blessed. Okay. I can tell you, Ash, one side is really great. So she's moving her face. A forehead ka na, you are there in that area. So na-feel natin, natatap na natin. You know what I like? Parang talagang hindi siya makapal at all. Ang galing. In fair ha, because with cushions, I find it difficult to do that. Pero ano yung feeling with the cushions natin? Ano yung feeling ng pag-application?
Malambot po.
Malambot, is it moisturizing?
Maganda po yung cushion po. Tapos,
And is
it's very lightweight.
very lightweight. And may smell ba tayo dito?
Wala naman.
Wala, it's a very, very lightweight smell. Okay, Ashley, sabihin mo sa akin kapag happy ka na, you feel like you are proud with your work.
Whole face ba?
Parang mukhang pak na siya eh. Ang galing mo eh.
Okay na ba?
Okay na siya? Okay na? Okay na daw? Can we unveil yung blindfold? Yes, correct. Alright, I'll give you your mic, Ashley. Tingnan natin ang... O,
Oh my
diba?
God!
O, diba? Palakpakan naman sa challenge na to. Ay, naayos pa niya.
Ayos natin.
Pagawin natin perfect. Ano ba ang tip mo when you're using this? Because I had experience with it also. What is your tip for this?
Actually, ang cushion, don't be intimidated by it. It's actually one of the easiest base that you can put on your face. Usually, di ba sanay tayo sa mga liquid, sa mga brush, we have to mix it. So, the application of cushion is just you tap it on your face and then full coverage na siya. You can go on the whole day already with it. Parang gusto ko na nga mag-rita. Ade, pwede pa naman tayo.
Ayan! Thank you so much,
Thank you so much.
to our
Thank
participant.
you.
And in fair, girl, ang galing. Girl, shooked ako. In fair, sabi ko, sa nakita ko yung sa script, sabi ko, kayang-kaya ba to? In fair, you nailed that challenge indeed. And you have a prize and have a photo in
Yes.
the center as well as we pick another blind box here. So again, this is Ashley for Skintific. And we're down to our final few challenge. Okay. And this is an exciting one. So meron tayong blind box pa dito. But I think since ang galing mo sa blindfold, ang galing mo sa blind box, ako na, iba-blind open ko na isang random sa blind box na challenge. Kasi feeling ko, kayang-kaya mo to lahat. What? Give us a random blind box challenge, Skintific. Hala, TikTok dance off! Oh, my God!
So, sasayaw ako?
So, tingin natin kung gusto mo. But, for this round, we want to do the Freak Out TikTok Dance Challenge!
I love you too, guys. Thank you so much.
Diba? So, ito yung routine na kailangan pakita na i-join ng participants natin. So, may we see that for those who don't know this challenge.
TikTok dance off. Ay, teka, tatabi lang ang boss. Oh my gosh! Ay, alam ko yan.
Okay, o diba? Kayang-kaya. So that is the challenge that you will be doing, and we do have pre-selected participants because they did join in the Skintific booth. So may we call on those participants? Ayan, up on stage.
Ayan na. Hello, guys. Welcome!
Hello!
Welcome
gagawin mo, Ms. Ashley. It's to pick your favorite one among our 3 contenders today. Okay?
Teka lang.
So, may practice round ba or alam niyo itong trend?
Alam niyo na ba?
Kaya na ba?
Kaya na ba?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang! Dapat, perfect. Dapat todo. Kaya yan. Baka mamaya ikaw pa manalo, di ba? So, surprise
Okay.
pala. Magaling pala.
Okay, dasal na kayo. Ready na kayo sa spots ninyo? We'll do the freak
One
out.
by one or parang mas better one by one?
Sige, let's do it one by one.
Yes.
Sige.
Okay. Let's go.
Start from-
Ikaw muna. What's your name?
Okay.
Noel.
Noel. Okay,
Okay.
Noel. Are you ready?
May konting, ito ba?
May
There's a
collab.
conversation happening.
May collaboration na nangyayari.
May story dito. Parang, it's the beginning of something new. I
What
love
about
it.
you? What's your
Okay.
name?
Arvin.
Arvin. Ready ka na ba, Arvin? Huwag kang papatalo, ha? Huwag kang ma-shy. Center stage ka pa man din. Let's go, Arvin.
Ay! Ay!
Ay!
Ay! Freak out!
Ayun.
Oy, unfair.
Kala mo shy type siya sa una, pero biglang lumanan eh.
Oo. Pero tingnan natin, may isa pa tayo.
Ato
Oo.
siguro feeling ko pasabog.
Feeling ko pasabog din.
Ano name mo?
Marky.
Mikey. Marky.
Marky.
Ready ka na ba, Marky? Sakto lang. Ay,
Sakto
naku.
lang daw ha. Kung gusto mo mag-tumbling dito, okay lang ha. The stage is yours.
Okay, Marky, the stage is yours. Go!
Oy! 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 Sakto lang daw!
Bakit?
Sakto lang daw!
Bakit ganon? Parang nagsisimula na sila sa ganon. Tapos biglang mawawan, may hiya na sila.
Give chance to others daw.
Ikaw naman daw.
Ay, hindi
Miss
talaga. Hindi talaga. Hanggang daldal lang ako, guys,
Sample ka
dito.
lang.
Hanggang freaky lang ako.
Hoy, ayun ba yan?
Oo, diba? Mamaya na ang
nakapili
tumbling.
dito, diba?
Mamaya na ang tumbling. Ito na. Miss Ashley.
Sabay na lang tayong apat. Tapos after nating lahat, pipili ako.
Okay.
Sabay pala.
Ako, titingin lang in admiration.
Pero dapat sabay-sabay tayo sa steps kasi ang gulo eh. Diba? Up, down. Paano yun? Up, down. Up, middle, shake, and ganon. Ayun. So, up, down, shake, ganon. Okay, sige. Sabay-sabay ah.
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Let's go in 3, 2, 1. DJ, hit it! Hey! Hey! Scientific! Hey! Hey! Ha! Scientific!
Oh my God!
Ang galing!
Hindi ko alam kung tama na yung ginagawa natin, but ang gagaling nyo guys, congrats! Pero sa tingin ko, yung pinaka malinaw na nakita kong dance step sa inyo. Lahat naman kayo magagaling, but I think I'm gonna go for Arvin.
Wow!